Welcome back. This is Jeffrey's regular YouTube channel. This is the final one today. I accidentally shut the microphone off, but we do have a severe thunderstorm warning in effect for Crawford counties until 1:45 a.m. Eastern Time. They just had the severe thunderstorm right after 12 o'clock. There's a severe thunderstorm indicated almost towards I gotta excuse me for a minute and reset the Wi-Fi. All right, roll it. Welcome back to the regular YouTube channel. We have a severe thunderstorm warning in effect for Crawford counties until 1:45 p.m. Eastern Time. After 12:30 p.m., there's a severe thunderstorm was around Linesville to Kingsman, and here it said the wind's supposed to be at 60 miles per hour. Radar indicated. Locations includes Titusville, Meadville, Linesville, Harmonsburg, Adamsville, Guys Mills. Starting a storm right now. Coming north, Atlantic, Concordan, Sagerstown, Conneaut Lake, Jamestown, Hightown, Blooming Valley, Townville, Conneaut Lake Shore, Geneva, and Hartstown, all on that severe thunderstorm warning in effect for Crawford counties until 1:45 p.m. Eastern Time. So, but that's going to be it here. So I heard some rumbles of thunder out here, so we're gonna get off. Again, there's a severe thunderstorm warning for Crawford counties till 1:45 a.m. Eastern Time. So we're gonna get off, and thanks for joining us here on Jeffrey's regular channel page. And we'll talk to you guys on the Train Expert channel first thing in the morning. Talk to you later.